Welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming to this channel, consider subscribing to the subscribe button. Click on the notification icon to get notified whenever I post video. So on today's video, we are going to create a birthday flyer. So this is the background we are working with. As I have already told you, this is the place you go to change your background. This place now I'm touching, so this is it, and this is the background we are working with, this blue one, this one. Now we'll now click OK. Just to save my stress of going to my gallery to be importing pictures, I have already imported them here, so I'll just be opening them and I'll be telling you how I do it. I will just click on this place now, and this picture will pop up like this. So I will just go and unlock it. So this is the picture. I've already taken out the background of this picture. That's it for this one. So the next thing now to do is to come back again to this thing and unlock this birthday. You see, this is birthday. I will go and edit it. You see how I press the thing. I first insert birth, then I click enter and put the day, and I'll click OK. That's it. Now for the font, we go to the font. So you see the font I use for this design. This particular birthday font is this. Now this one design, this one that has design something, design SCIFI. This one now Babin. This particular one I'm touching now, that's the name of the font, but the particular name is design. The name of the font is design. So that's it for the font. I will now click OK. That's it for it. So the size of this birthday is 105. That's the size. And click OK. Then the next thing again is to import this happy. So you see the happy. I've already inserted the happy. I used my guideline as usual. Remember the guideline. You use it and press it the way you want it to be. That's cool for this one. So the next thing now is to create a circle. Let me check. The circle is here. The circle is here. That's it for the circle. I added shadow to this circle. You see, let me remove the shadow. You see, you don't have shadow again. I added the shadow. That's cool. So the size of this circle is, I leave the size at 20. You see, that's it for this. Then another one is the date. I open the date. See, this is 80th May. The name of this font for 80th May is, let's go and check it. Let's check it. This is this one that has, okay, this second one now, this lemon milk regular. That's the name of the font, lemon milk regular. So that's it. So again, here is the name of the celebrant, which is this. Is the same font with this one, lemon milk regular. So the thing we do now is to use our position to move this thing here, so that this name and the birthday will line well here. So that's it. You see the name, this edges here is lined well. So that's it. Then I think we're gonna create a shape here. We create a shape. Let's create a shape here. Click OK. Just drag it this way. Drag it. Keep it here. That's cool. Then you open up this thing. Okay. We need to shift our this shape here. Bring it up a little bit. Then press to back to bring it back. Okay, then this one will go back also. That's cool. Hope you understand what I did. I bring this courtesy of to front, then I send this one to the back. So that's it for this cool birthday flyer. So the next thing again I did here is I did this okay, I think I added this thing to this. I added something like this. So let's add it. I first of all create a shape for this. I've already teach you how to do this before. You just come to gradient and create something like this. No, is this. You see here this place, the down part of this place is blue and this up is transparent. This place now is transparent. You see the thing is down here is transparent. It doesn't have any color. So we just click OK this way. So that's it. You only use this thing when you want to blend something. You see this picture is blending to the background of this particular thing. You have to copy it and paste. Do copy and paste like 3 times. It's okay like this. Then you now group it. After grouping it, then you start bringing this thing up from here. Start bringing this thing up. Drag this thing up. Okay. Drag this thing up. Drag them up. Okay, to front. Anyone you touched, you bring it to the front. Anyone you touch, you bring it to the front. That's how you will do it. Just lock this picture so that it will not disturb. Okay, the front. Then let's click on this courtesy of bring it to the front also. That's cool. That's it. Then another thing is the date. The date is still at the back. Just select it and bring to front. To front. Okay. Let's do it again. Let's select this 80th May. Okay, that's it. So that's how I created this simple birthday flyer with Pixellab app. So that's it for the video. If you find this video interesting, do well to be sharing my videos to your friends. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and see you next time in my next video.